If you are looking for the best pool vacuum, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Dolphin Nautilus Robotic Pool Cleaner. Robotic pool cleaners like the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus make pool maintenance a hands-off task, as they scrub down the floor and walls of your pool while you kick back and relax. This top-rated pool cleaner can handle pools up to 50 feet long, and it will leave your pool fresh and clean in just 2 hours. It has dual scrubbing brushes and superior filtering capabilities, and it can even be scheduled to clean on a recurring basis. Plus, it will save you money, as it operates independently, not relying on your pool's pump. Number 2. Zodiac W03000 Automatic Pool Cleaner. The Zodiac Barracuda G3 Advanced Suction Side Automatic Pool Cleaner hooks up to your pool's pump, and it's effective at picking up small and medium-sized debris from the floor, walls, and steps of your pool. It has a special valve that automatically regulates water flow for better performance, even with low HP pumps, and one of the major benefits is the Barracuda G3 is easy to set up and has just one moving part, minimizing its chances of breaking. Reviewers say this automatic pool cleaner works great on dirt and sand. Number 3. Poolvergnuegen W3 PVS40 JST Pool Cleaner. The Hayward 4-wheel Poolvergnuegen pool cleaner can be used in pools that have deep ends up to 20 by 40 feet, and it has 4-wheel drive to help it climb walls and navigate around obstacles. This suction vacuum needs to be hooked up to a pump with at least 1/2 HP power, and its self-adjusting turbine vanes deliver maximum suction and allow larger debris to be sucked up. It has multiple pre-programmed internal steering programs to deliver better coverage in larger pools, and reviewers say it works wonderfully and is well worth the price. Number 4. Polaris F9450 Pool Cleaner Vacuum. The Polaris F9450 Sport has vortex vacuum technology that captures 4 times more debris than other cleaners, and it has an extra-large top access filter that can hold 4 times the debris, allowing you to empty it less frequently. It features an active motion sensor that lets the unit automatically sense its position in the pool and adapt its path for better cleaning, all while reducing cord tangling, and reviewers are typically quite pleased with the machine's performance, writing that it uses significantly less electricity than cleaners that hook up to the pool's filtration system. Number 5. Hayward W3 PVS20 JST Pool Vacuum. The Hayward 2-wheel Poolvergnuegen pool cleaner can be used in pools up to 32 feet long, and it weighs a mere 5 pounds, making it easy to carry. This suction pool cleaner hooks up to your pool's existing pump, and it requires a minimum of 1/2 HP to run. Its tread tires can climb any surface and navigate uneven terrain with ease, and it comes with 3 interchangeable throats that help it to optimize suction and suck up the debris of different sizes. The Hayward 2-wheel Poolvergnuegen pool cleaner comes highly recommended from users, who say it delivers powerful suction.